Hi, today a quick and easy teardown. This little airliner, probably cockpit controller. It is for landing elevation. I'm missing the button here, and you set your landing elevation, so the offset according to the sea level of your landing runway, probably something like this. So just a little setting like so, you will adjust. No manufacturer plate here. Obviously we have space for a label which is not fitted, and on the back it looks like we are missing some plate here with probably the information. So no ID of the brand or model number or anything. I see two screws here in red, so let's try to undo them. Oh, interesting. The other one, I guess it will be the same thing. Yes. And we are more or less spring-loaded. So what do we have in here? Just the empty box here with the glass in the front. And here is what it looks like. Apparently not much, just the wires, some high precision double stack potentiometer here, brass and stainless gears with anti-backlash here, springs you can see, aluminium frame, the counting wheels, two bulbs for the lighting the dial, and apparently the bulbs are spring loaded for some reason. Quite odd. Little interconnect board here, and it is all. So really not much to see. Sadly, it was very cheap on eBay, so I took this, but I did not expect a lot anyways. At least we have a very nice precision potentiometer with a nice logo here, and beautifully constructed piece, even if it is quite simple and hasn't got any electronics in it. So for reinstalling, I guess it is better to fit this before in the case, because you can see there is nothing to guide this piece, so it might be a little bit difficult when it is already in the case. Quite an odd construction with these big metal rods. So this one is a little bit better, obviously. And make sure I reinsert it in the correct way. I did check in my stock, and sadly I do not have a matching button for now to put on the front, but maybe someday I will get one. And yes, it is an interesting little piece. Always good for display, even if it is missing the button. And here obviously you might have a little access panel to read the bulbs from the front whenever you need to replace them. Okay, so it will be all for this thing. Thanks for watching. Bye bye.